Hello everyone, when making boiled shrimp, should you start with cold water or hot water? I believe a lot of people get it wrong right from the first step. Today, a chef will teach you the correct way to do it. First, prepare an amount of fresh, live shrimp. You use fresh, large shrimp, then the meat will be tender and springy. Here, large shrimp sell for 25 yuan jin. How much do they cost where you? First, cut off shrimp heads, then squeeze out dirt and pull out shrimp veins. Deveining shrimp is just that simple. Now one large shrimp is ready. Many people think that you don't need to remove the vein when making boiled shrimp, otherwise the texture won't be as springy. Personally, I think it's better to remove the vein. It's just more hygienic that way. Add a spoonful of salt to the prepared shrimp, then add clean water. Soak them for 5 minutes first, and then wash them thoroughly. Next, heat water in a pot and add the ginger slices and scallion sections you prepared earlier. Add a spoonful of salt and a little cooking wine, then stir with a spatula until everything dissolves. Here's something important to remember. When making boiled shrimp, never put them into cold water. Once the water in the pot comes to a boil and the flavors of the scallion and ginger are fully released, add the shrimp. This way, the shrimp will tighten up quickly when they hit the heat, making the cooked shrimp meat even more springy and firm. If you put the shrimp into cold water, the texture and taste of the shrimp will be greatly compromised. After the water comes to a boil, cook the shrimp for about 1 minute before taking them out. If you cook them too long, the shrimp meat will become tough and lose its tenderness. Next, prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and finely chop it. Once chopped, put the ginger into a bowl. Slice 2 scallions into thin rings, and cut 3 bird's eye chilies into rounds. Then pour piping hot oil over everything to bring out the aroma, and mix well. In a pot, add half spoon light soy sauce, half spoon seasoned soy sauce seafood, 1 spoon sugar for flavor, and half spoon water to dilute and balance saltiness. Actually, many people don't realize that you need to heat the poached shrimp sauce. Heating it makes the flavor of the sauce much richer and more mellow. That's the reason why poached shrimp tastes so good at restaurants. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat, pour the sauce into a bowl, stir it well, and then serve it on a plate. And just like that, a delicious plate of poached shrimp is ready. Shrimp made this way is fragrant, flavorful, and the meat is firm and springy. If you like it, go ahead and save this recipe to try it out. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.